Hey crafty chums, it's Nikki here, aka Katherine Cat, aka Katherine Cat's Life. I'm just going to start saying Nikki in future, okay? So I'm coming at you today with Crazy Pages. It's a bit dark in here because it's getting towards night time, but I'm cracking on with my pages because it needs to be done. So this was my first page that I received, and it comes from Cindy, and I decided to just add to it in this way. Front, and you know, there's a nice little quote: life is mostly froth and bubble, two things stand like stone, kindness in another's trouble, courage in your own. That's by Adam Lindsay Gordon. And then she sent two photographs with it as well, so I've decided to put them in there, put the names of what they are, and then Cindy's name there so I won't forget who it came from. And here I've put a little strip there, which is how I'm going to end up binding them all together, I think. And so on to the next one. And was it Katherine? Katherine, I'm just going to check. Katherine, yes. So this one came from Katherine, and she sent me her hand. And she sent me more than one of her. She sent me both, I think it's probably her left hand as well. Looks like a left hand, doesn't it? Because it's there, because the pen's on this side, so it would be her left hand with a index finger print, I believe. And then she's also put it on the envelope and on the other side of the envelope as well, which I won't show you because it's got my address on it. I've squiggled out her address there. I hope it's enough to squiggle it out. And so let's get on with it, shall we? So yes, I am going to put a strip on here as well. So I don't know whether to go like this. I'm going to close this one up. It's already closed, but I'll just add a bit more glue on there and we'll seal this puppy up, I think. Seal it up. Because that's just how I feel about it. We'll seal it up. Which is good like that. And going to pop this one on here and hinge it. So I could have put it on the flap there and hinged it there, but I decided not to because I don't want a pocket here. I may regret that later on, but we'll see. So yeah, so I'm going to put some washi down there. I'm not a big fan of washi because it doesn't hold very well, but I'm going to put it on anyway. So I'm going to, not sure it'll stick well on this because it's part of an envelope, but there, and I'll probably just pop some there as well, hoping it gets sort of like where it's supposed to be. I'm going to match the fingers up so far, pull off my washi and put it on. The camera is a bit low, I just need to alter that camera angle, don't I? I'm going to leave it, you know, lopsided as it is because this is Crazy Pages. I think that is going to stick quite well actually. So yeah, if I crease it, that'll go over okay. I've just been doing some collage and that. So what I'm going to do is. What I'm going to do is, okay, I'll think about it. I know what I want to do here. Just going to cut along just this side of each here so it flaps a little bit easier. Actually, just cut on it. Put it down, and now maybe I don't want to put it all the way around. Maybe I'm just going to take it to there. And pull this up to, hoping the glue hasn't stuck down properly yet, to about there. just so it flaps easier. I should put some more on this side, I think. As I say, the washi tape isn't my favourite, but it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Okay, I think I know what I'm going to do actually. She's got another hand on the back and it's got my address on, so what I am going to do is I'm just going to paint the hand out, which will paint out my name as well, and I'll be back when I've done that. So here I've painted the hand black and I'm just going around the other hand on top that's on the envelope in black as well. Negative space painting. So that's what I'm doing here. And I'm also doing some negative space painting here as well on this part of the hand. I have a cunning plan going through my head right this very moment. All will be revealed eventually. So they're just I think it's carbon black I'm using, which is a liquid paint. And here I am just now sticking down some paper napkins using Mod Podge. And this the paper napkin is a one I got in a rack from Eleni, and I believe it's a Jane Davenport napkin. Part of her, sorry about the cat there if you heard him, I don't know whether you did or not, he's just having a good old howl. So yeah, part of her mermaid napkin thingies, I think. Not positive, but that's what I think. And then just put another layer of Mod Podge over the top just to seal it off nicely. Nicely. Yeah, if you can hear him, he's having a good old howl. And here I am using a Neocolor watercolour Caran d'Ache, just to get rid of some of the yellow that's there, but not all of it really, just, you know, just tidying it up a little bit around there. Drain it off. And now what am I going to do? I am just tidying up the edges, actually going around a bit black, just covering up the Mod Podge that ended up on the black paint, just to, you know, tidy off the edges. And here I am using a stencil, and I'm not positive where this stencil came from, I'm not sure of the name of it, but I'm just using some white paint to sponge through the stencil to give a nice design, or what I believe is a nice design. And there's not much more to do here. I just go around the black here of the stencil and then go around on the, do I do it on the front as well? I might do it on the front also, but I do also definitely do it on the black where the where I've painted out the hand in black too. Sorry, the cat's been just a pain in the booty. And so yeah, that's what I'm doing. Doing it on that part, drying it off, doing it over, I believe, and doing it onto the hand that I've blacked out as well, on the front of the envelope. There. I've kept the envelope as it is. It's just a nice little memento to have with the Crazy Pages swap. So I just left it as it was, but decorated up the hand a little bit with the same stencil as I used on the other side. So I hope you enjoyed my Crazy Pages so far. Join me again for Crazy Page number 3. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope to see you again soon. And don't forget to like, subscribe and all that yummy stuff. Bye.